other even men a video. All the other even men a video. She ya back jene na video. The girl na the man we na aga. The girl we plan or connive with those two men. How we will lapa. We be a pushie the man you. The girl waiting ife teacher ife nda puye ife a pushie. Nyanwa na to ziaka with hope. No those men. Wunde biati ife. Why not the girl nyana ewo? When you ife. This is the exact game the Abuja woman is playing. Lebo Geshina. Manombolo na ayema. Ojo recruit people like Chisom. Recruit so many of them. They mobilize the fact. Hana Ogechi saga. The other go. Fana Ogechi saga. Onaluzie. There is I want to end if I'm on Facebook. How can you claim that you want to end social media bully? I watched that video. That is the only video here who watch go from beginning to the end. Yes, I watched that video. How can you say no one need you no mado ko onya heji na ko iji Ogechi akọ anyway? I have to say indirectly. But you are collaborating with Chisom. Ogechi has never for one day called the name of Chisom, but every day, Ipu Abuja, Ipu Melinka. Even while you are there, I saw on that broadcast, Ebino, na question we na akpọ Ipu Gongom. Ine we na akpọ here. But you know, every day, Chisom akpọ we camera. Ipu na Chicago. Ipu na Chicago. You cannot say anything because no far we feel if they're aware of that. You even said that na mmadụ nwere ike imedogono nwere ike ibuli onwe ha, but not it should have a limit. I am yet to understand. I'm waiting for you to tell me to an extent where it should go, and ebe ya woga Emmanuel overstay she go the limit. Make una dey play. We are tired of listening to motivational speakers. I myself am tired of listening to motivational speakers because 80% of them practice none of those things. Hana Kusi. You other go. Nobody now excited and carried away by any little thing. It is not me. That is why Nigerian youths can gather and be praising a Burkina Faso. A young guy in a Burkina Faso topple an elected government. You gotta go topple break the rule of law. Coup d'etat, a mayor will topple the government. They buy in a praise here. So I am not deterred when I see people getting excited. The only thing I see in the comment section about a few people and fake accounts repeatedly commenting the same thing. I am also happy that at least may follow me melu clearly in that broadcast. Because some of you for the maloni use through her when with something like evidence. I don't know what the evidence is anyway. For yourself. Therefore, they should stop calling you. What it shows is that you know exactly what you are doing. Put agro as you know Kenya Male Guana. Dayo. Potuni na ane nyeudo. Awuzugo so na police arrest Ogechi. Ka na enyelu potuni na. Ogechi nwezi the case we to yanga. Iye mefoko mpoto nke iye enye mgba. That is it. You want to go? That is it. You are looking for justice. You are looking for justice. You are seeking to end something. You are supporting. You are seeking to end something. You are supporting. I will start taking you serious the day you de-associate yourself with JPAC and the Chisom. Any day you de-associate yourself with JPAC and Chisom, that is the day I will know that you are genuine in the fight you are fighting. But for as long as you are still close, talking with Shisom, clapping for her, talking with J-Pack, Nasaga, clapping for her, any single oku in a kunono, I only come there to enjoy the gold, because me, myself, I'm a lover of gold. I am a lover of gold. That is the only thing. I'm a lover of gold. And that is why if you look here indeed, you will know that I am a lover of gold. When you look here indeed, you will know that indeed I am a. So that is the only thing I'm coming there to enjoy. Seeing those gold, I enjoy them because I am a lover of gold. Na Facebook look at all of you. It is the end of this. Hatred will buy some of you people. Clear your mind so that your brain will focus. Manejo, from then I say, where is Ogechi Okeke Evangelist Ebukobi Ezugo? Those men you are calling are not in your league. Yes. You think Zion is a content creator like you. You think Evangelist Ebukobi is a content creator like you to come on Facebook to begin to come on Facebook to begin to exchange words with you people. Or actually more daft than I thought. Where is Ezugo? Do you think now time he devote to this saga? I'm going to devote to you. That is what I do, and that is what I will keep doing. Because you devote to all your time to Ogechi this, Ogechi that, Ogechi this, Ogechi that. You people will cry. It will end in tears. This is Niger. This is Niger. Police station is for all of us. Court of law is for all of us, especially if you can afford to pay your legal fees. So, all this noise on Facebook. I just decided to hit one of the points. You can climb and build your profile with Ogechi. It is worth it. Enjoy while it lasts. Celebrate while it lasts. You can celebrate. You can afford now to own a camera and talk to people. Even all those who in Ogechi and Ogechi, look at you. Mama. Auntie because mama is sister. Yeah, auntie, but mama. Yeah, on Facebook. When you find ya for one man on Facebook, you go. When you find ya na for one man on Facebook. So, kaina ganubi or kanaka. Kaina ganubi no kanaka. If you from go sell on a firma, we know the good to other people. Why about Ogechi saga? You go in Oluzie, Jaziente. I don't know how you got yourself into this. I honestly don't know how you got yourself into this. How you are going to get yourself out of this is what I don't know. Where is Ezugo? Where is Ezugo? I'm happy that at least somebody like J-Pack actually know that Ezugo exists. I thought now all these things online that I'm too small that they don't even know that I exist. I am glad that you know that Namu exists. It is a fulfillment and happiness to me that after claiming to be the almighty Iroko that doesn't even have time for, you can afford to come to your page and write my name, Ezugo. For all of you who keep calling Ezugo here and there, I love that. That is how other people will want to know who this Ezugo is. And when they come closer, they will know that Ezugo, that share. You want to go have bata close and wash ya. How man is go that shit. You want to go. This is the game they play, and we know. I know people like me know. I don't get easily carried away by emotion and sentiment. I have said it before. It is zero. I use my sense. You want to go. So we are not detached. Ahead. You want to go ahead. I still remain yours favorite Ezugo. Remember, joy is coming. Dalon.